This is the construction of this first building.
You can tell from the amount of work that has been done that the project is on course. You recall the last time we came here, the foundation had barely been laid, and this was about 3 months ago. Today, they have almost finished with the foundation and moving the building to, the roof level. Beyond the physical structure, you can see from the exhibition that has been mounted by the Museum of West African Arts that a lot of thought, a lot of work has gone into helping us understand the rich history and culture of Edo through the various media and schemes like archaeology, going into the details of the sort of materials that have been found from the archaeological works that have been done. And all of these are to help us understand and explain who we are, how we developed the society, the systems, and the greatness which Edo and Benin is known for. This is very, very illuminating. I mean, for me, I'm so grateful that we have been persistent to ensure that this project sees the light of day. It is, as you can see, very, very transformational project. You can see it's just not about the physical expression. Look at those children from schools who are now being taught to understand how to preserve and conserve materials, to curate, our existence, to see how we lived in the past and how that has transformed through the generations. So, this is perhaps the most transformational project our government would be involved in since we came into office. And I'm so glad that we've found partners, both local and international partners who believe in this project and have contributed immensely to making sure that this project sees the light of day. With me here today, you have members of some of the guilds, the Bronze Casters Guilds. They have so much to tell us about how we, got to where we are today artistically. We have members of the Woodcarvers Guild. We have members of the tourism industry, excursion experts. These are all people who are going to be part of this whole new cultural renaissance in Edo as we build Edo into a cultural tourism hub. They're going to create more jobs. People will come here. There will be guides who will take people to various sites, explain, the various objects and, various objects to them. But more importantly, even beyond that, people who will host visitors, hotels, cafes, restaurants. So we believe that this is core to our goal of making Edo tourism hub and ensuring that we're able to attract a lot of people and a lot of economy into the state. It's core to the diversification of our economy. We cannot continue to rely on Abuja for revenues for our existence or to run our state. We are beginning to develop and build the foundations for a much more resilient economy for this state. This is what this project represents.